Welcome to the calendar management tutorial for Tenzo. We're going to start in forecasting by day because this functionality is reserved for customers that utilize the Tenzo forecasting module. Events that are recorded in the Tenzo calendars appear as adjustment reasons for either future or past dates. For example, here we have Christmas Eve for December 24th. You could view this menu in the calendar menu that you can access through the admin page if your user has the right level of permission and it has been enabled. Here you could add an event by clicking on the date for which you'd like to add it for. For example, if you want to add a new custom event for the 29th, if you click on that date, first you have to select the calendar it relates to. So if you want to add it for one of the existing locations, you should select their calendar. You should add a name for this event. So for example, if you know there's a large dinner or large group, you would record it as such. You can add a description if you would like, but it's not necessary. And typically most events are all day, so I would recommend just leaving it as that. And unless it's a recurring event that'll take place on the same time every year, mark it as do not repeat and hit save. What you're also able to do is create new calendars if you have events that will affect multiple locations. So if you click manage calendars, you could select to add a new calendar. You could add the association. So if we know this will affect the Bath and the Birmingham sites, you could name it as such as well, or you could give it a custom name. And you can even add a description. Now that you have this calendar and you know you have events that will impact the revenues at both of those locations, you could choose that calendar. You could also search it. And then you can create an event that will correspond and it'll appear in the forecasting menu for those two locations on that date. Alternatively, if you have a Google Calendar that has recorded all the events that will take place over the near future, if you reach out to your Tenzo Customer Success Manager, we could link that for you so it'll automatically be linked and appear in your calendars and forecasting events. Thanks.